Now we will discuss about the chapter the solid state. First, we have already studied about the matter in earlier class. Matter is anything occupy the space and have fixed mass. It means in world everything is made up of matter. Matter exists in mainly three states: solid, liquid and gas. Liquid and gas have the fluidity property because there is large intermolecular space between the particles, and in case of solid there is no intermolecular space, hence show rigidity property. The solid which have fixed shape, volume, definite melting point, rigidity and incompressibility. Incompressibility means because there is no intermolecular space between the particles in solid, hence cannot be compressible. Solids are classified into two groups: amorphous solid and crystalline solid. Amorphous solids have no regular arrangement of particles, hence show short range order. In amorphous solids, there is no regular arrangement of particles. They do not show sharp melting point, heat of fusion, and when cut with knife, they do not show sharp edge. They show isotropic in nature. It means isotropic nature of amorphous solids show that the value of electrical conductivity, refractive index and thermal expansion same in all the directions. Amorphous solids do not called true solids. These are pseudo solids and also called supercooled liquid because they have fluid property. For example, glass. In old buildings, the glass of windows are thicker in bottom sides because have fluid property. Rubber, plastics are the example of amorphous solids. In crystalline solid, regular arrangement of particles and have long range order and show anisotropic in nature. Crystalline solids have sharp melting point, long range order, heat and definite heat of fusion. When cut with knife, show sharp edge. The value of electrical conductivity, refractive index and thermal expansion different in different directions. Crystalline solids are classified into following groups. Number 1, ionic solids. Ionic solids, those solids in which ions are bounded by electrostatic attraction force. For example, NaCl. The coordination number of Na positive and Cl negative ions respectively 6 because each Na positive surrounded by 6 Cl negative ion and each Cl negative ion surrounded by 6 Na positive ion. There is electrostatic attraction force present between the ions. Next one is covalent solid. These are bounded by covalent bond. For example, graphite and diamond, the best example of covalent solid. In graphite, due to presence of free electrons, are conductor of heat and electricity, and in diamond there is no free electrons, hence non-conductor. Next one is molecular solid. Molecular solids are classified into following groups. Non-polar molecular solid. For example, P4, H2, Cl2, and atoms or molecules. Molecules are bounded by dispersion force or London force. In polar molecular solids, for example, HCl, molecules are bounded by dipole-dipole interaction force. For example, HCl, and hydrogen bonded molecular solids like H2O means hydrogen bond present between molecules or atoms. In metallic solids, the metallic bond present in metallic solids and kernels are present in the sea of electrons. Next one is a question arises, classify the following solids: brass, diamond, niter and sulfur. Brass is metallic solid, diamond a covalent solid, niter is ionic solid and sulfur is molecular solid according to the structure. Next one, the definition: space lattice or crystal lattice. The regular arrangement of particles in a space to the geometry of crystal is called space lattice. It means regular arrangement of particles in a given space which show the geometry of crystal, that is known as space lattice, and due to provided by the Bravais scientist, also called Bravais lattice. We know that there are 14 possible three-dimensional lattice and called Bravais lattice. Next one is unit cell. The smallest repeating pattern is called unit cell, and unit cell generate the entire crystal. It means each unit cell has all the property of a crystal. Next one, the type of unit cell on the basis of parameters. Parameter means as length, bond angles. The unit cells are of 7 types. It means the crystal systems are 7 types. Number 1, unit cell is primitive unit cell. Those unit cell in which particles are present only at the corner. It means when particles are present only at the corner of a unit cell, this type of unit cell will be called primitive unit cell. And when the particles are present at the corner as well as the other sides, was known as non-primitive unit cell. For example, BCC, body centered cubic unit cell. It means the particles present at the corner as well as the center of the body, known as body centered cubic unit cell. When particles present at the corner as well as the center of each face, known as face centered cubic unit cell, and when the particles present at the corner as well as the center of two opposite faces, also called end centered cubic unit cell. And we will further discuss the 7 type of unit cell, primitive and non-primitive unit cell in further video.